want to do you know. NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. My viewers and my subscribers. You know, so one of the linky them sell me out though. Yeah, man, because you know, so we not keep friends. So we have a local linky. And the linky sell me out. Big time people. Big time linky sell me out. You know what I mean? But God is the greatest, man. Youth, you sell out the attacking boss. But look at the man. God is the greatest. You can't stop my thing, youth. NEWLINK back to school 2025, youth. You sell me out and you can't stop it. Remember me tell you, God me I work with youth. You can't stop that. No matter where you try, youth. There's a bad mind, Jankra. You can't stop it. You see me, Jankra? You can't. God is the greatest. My people, you know, I see a news happen a few hours ago, or see a day ago, you know what I mean? In my beautiful country called Jamaica, my people. And I saw a few videos and a few pictures of the incident, you know. When them say happen over there in St. Andrew, some community there in St. Andrew, you see it? When them say a 50-year-old brother take out himself, you see me? Half time comes a woman, take out him baby mother. So him a 50 and them say the baby mother 25 years old, my people. And a 4 youth, them say now fatherless and motherless, my people. Because 4 people them say them share together. Them say she was a cashier, you know what I mean, in some supermarket or some local place there in Kingston, Jamaica. For him now, we never get nothing about him occupation, what kind of work it do. You see me? But all me can say, my people, me see a girl on the ground, no life. You see me? Up so bus off and thing and wall heap of leakings are going. You see me? The red something there. And for it now, I see one tree there, my people. I see a car up on the tree. And I see a car that swing it up on it. Gone. No life no did there either. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My viewers and my subscribers, may I tell us, boy, the world we live in right now, you know. A whole heap of things that we see happen with my people and we have to think and I say, yo, but me I go telling us something. We're in the final days of times, the people. So we are going to see a whole heap of things that unfold. It may be surprising, you know, but enough is surprise with my people. Because Jah works are unfolding. The Bible don't tell we all of these things that we see are going on right now, you know. You see me? A Jah works are unfold. But back to basic attacking boss. So the Jankra gone, Jankra take out the woman. She at 25, it at 50. Them sure 4 youth together, my people. 4 youth. So what me want to say now? What age are the youth them? Because me not get no age, you know. And me need somebody who live in the community to link me. Please, link up. Somebody who live in the community, link me. I want to hear the fullest behind this thing here. Because me I try picture say this boy must have there with this girl before she reach 18. Which me know so they can't afford youth. You see me? And rapid behind each other. For sure it can't happen, man. But me I say, yo, me just feel like say this thing here. I do this thing from she was in a school, my people. You see me? A 50 being my people. Back to basic NEWLINK, she at 25. We say it already. Again and again. And based on what me I hear go on paper, truthfully and realistically, I will not go around the bushes and beat around it. Me I say it find out says Pums give away now. Reality. Me here say it find out says Pums give away. And it get jealous and it get mad, my people. And when it get mad and jealous, my people, she says she a cut. You see me? Like she a left him and them thing that she done with him. She don't want nothing to do with him. You see me? Because you know some of them young girl and people, they mouth rank, they mouth fiercey. I mean, she was a feisty one, big man thing. Now I beat around the bushes and me not. Me say her mouth, they rude. So me say she talk to him really bad, my people. Like you say, yo, you could walk this same thing and start reel out one bag of thing and tell him, you're not good this, you're not good that, you're worthless this and people. him take it to another level, them say. You see me? Him made chip, brain chip everything and him snap me people. And that's how come him pull machete and pull knife. And start saka my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Take out our 3 points. When it realize what you do my people and looking at yourself, you know saying that the place them there, the people them with that MOB eat, my people. Them with that deal with it. And they find one tree and find one card, quick. It go finish itself, my people. Not too far from the house where him commit the act. You see? A 4 youth. They don't know my people. No mother, no father. And where the attacking boss have to say, yo, at a big old thinking grey man at 50. See me? You live much years per earth. Me know say she not the first woman you been with. You never know about bonnet. Eh? See, you could hold yourself to learn to move on, or you move on already, a woman left you already. I mean, I want to share 4 you together. Eh? If you get bun, and you find out or you feel say the bun too hot, and you can't stay in it, then just left the bun, my man. You understand? Left it, man. Go put some milk on it, man, or something, and just move for yourself. You see me? And this is what me can't understand, bro. Look here, man. Some of you now put yourself in too much obsession with these females, you know, bro. Big woman thing. Too much obsession and it not work. Because when you get yourself so obsessed in a thing, bro, it's like you can't picture on yourself. You can't, you know. You can't picture on yourself without being in a relay with the person, you know. You know what I mean? But just when you picture on yourself not in a relay with them, then it's like you cannot picture yourself to see them with somebody else. And that's all the problem, you know. And that's all the trouble. See? If I do it, why can't you do it? I move on before. You understand? I've been in a relay before and I move on. You see me? Woman, I get hurt before. You know what I mean? Me have woman already, and me say this already, and the woman don't go tell me, say, yo, you want to go on. A woman don't me spend my money for the my people. You hear what the woman say? Me only are man when she there with me there. Because she work out of parish, you know. Me living at this parish, she work out of parish. And she tell me, say, I'm only her man when she forward. You see me? In a where my parish, them people are my house. But you see, when she the out of parish, means not her man. Me gonna show you. Me not gonna tell you like it tough people when me hear that because girl when me love, you know. You know what I mean? But you know the day, my people, we move on. You know what I mean? And when me look back in the life, me look on you and me say, yo, you know, so that a name for me thing. That a name for me. You see me? That a name for me. That a name for me. And up to date, me not hate the person. We can look on the person and our man right now and go yell up it. You know what I mean? At that time, people, we hurt. But me be strong and hold it up. And think about that a whole heap of years that, you know, that over 3 decades ago or a few decades ago. I look into that. If me did snap and do certain things, so me that be right now. The gone off I hurt already. I mean me that gone off I hurt already. You know what I mean? Youth, virgin. We have to learn how the thing go, brother. You see me? Yo, looking on yourself, Dan. You've been in a relationship with that woman. There must be some downfall, you know, bro. Why she give her the pumps, you know? Is it that she don't love you no more? You see me? Is it that you not do something what she expect you to do, bro? Or what? But see, if you do the right and your woman really love you, she never go give her the pumps, bro. She never. You see me? Some woman can hold it out. You see me? But you see, once you find out, so then give her the pump, bro. Move on. Move on. I'm going to say this because I can't talk to the dead, you know. I can't talk to the dead. So I can't say me talk to this virgin who don't take out 3 points. Because hell it gone, you know. It gone at hell already. So I can't chat to that. You see me? Me have to talk now to the people who are live and I watch the thing right now. And then me have to try influence and I tell them the right thing what to do. You see me? Hold it out and move on because lot only in a situation, bro. You see me? Woman a go on a bun, give Jah thanks to no find out, move on and left that ass alone. Left it alone. A whole heap of pum pum out them I tell you. Pum pum a knock left, right and center. Pum pum pum. Pum 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 pum. Amount of pum pum be there. Eh? And me a go make one pum pum mad me. Never in my life. Me say people, this a NEWLINK. I would never let one pum pum mad me or one pum pum cause me If you got take out the woman 3 points, me say me move on from that. You see me? Life are the greatest. Life. Because you see when you have life, my people, you have so much. That is the thing. So much because what? When you have life, my people, there's so much out there. You don't know what to expect. You see me? You don't know what to expect when you have life. Life are the greatest. So when you go do it and do foolishness out, go on a prisoner, go take out this and take that. You end your life this, bro. Eh? That's why I'm happy, people. I'm going to give God thanks and praises every day for what Him do for me. And give me the opportunity, my people, where I can travel the world and see things and travel how much country and see how much different type of woman for know. So look here, brother, life sweet. You see me? Life sweet, madam. Life sweet. It's a sad situation, you know. And I'm going to send out my deepest condolences to the family of the deceased female. For that the junk there, I tell you the truth. I can't tell the condolences because anybody who take out them tree, me not depend that, me not support that. I held that gun. It and Satan go talk about that. You see me? But for the female who are 25, because this junk here, I tell her, me just in deserve every bun we get. Deserve the what my boy would I say? In get bun, in get tutti fruit, all of that. Major mackerel. Me say she it now we are dealing with the gas. In deserve the light of the gas, the hose, the pump every day. Hey, people, every bun it deserve. I'll pack bottom bun to the rice and the bun up in the pot, and that it deserve bun. Judge just says, my people big up on yourself. And here what I go on now. More the them know say. NEWLINK back to school tree 2025, my people. And that we are dealing with. See? I want the people on the drawing board. Because here what I go on. It's a movement. We are do this one with art and we are do this long time. You see me? Through jar works we are do it. It's been 2 years we never do it, my people. Based on certain circumstances. But we've been keeping it like 5 straight years before that, or 6 or 5. You know what I mean? Long time we are do it. And the Almighty said NEWLINK, launch it up. Because the 2 years when I do it, the youth them disappointed because them I look forward to it. And he said this year, people, 2025, after the youth them, people link up, or yo, link up. Because I have to tell you, when I link up and support this movement, yeah, the blessings are overflow. Remember me tell you this, people. Yo, do it from your heart with the Almighty, bro. Link up and support the NEWLINK Back to School Tree 2025. Reality we are telling you. A blessing we are dealing with, my people, from our heart. A blessing. You see me? With the Almighty, bro. We're not going to come show off and act hype and behave certain way. You know what I mean? No, we're not depend that. We are dealing with the Almighty with blessing for the youth them. Now make the politicians come telling them the politicians. But our poverty this a whole heap of youth out there suffer, yeah. They hear? A whole heap of parents can't go find certain things to buy, give them youth to go back to school. Me are telling you that. Just when we do this thing, you only can go create a different block for them type of talking. People, big up on yourself and remember to do subscribe, like the video. You know what I mean? Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, X, the whole platform. Are they attacking boss? Them things are we gone? We gone. People will take back this thing over because we give them it, you know. You see that when cartel is in prison and cartel stays a boom and kind of stop dropping it, you know what I mean? And then give them the road for 13 years. NEWLINK give them vlogging for a year because we take a break with us and they know how to do the right because they know how to do the right. So they attacking boss. So look at now one. I'm out.